Hello friends, this video is the review of episode 2 of Kuch Rang Pyar Ke ACB season 3. Yes, the previous episode ended with a dying man confessing how he changed Suhana with Ayush, where Ayushman turns out to be the real child of Dev and Sonakshi. But as he swapped the children, now Soha is going up to be Dev and Sona's child. Now, this truth shatters Dev so much that he is not able to believe whatever he is hearing. On one side, the family members of Dev are searching where he is, and Dev tries to adjust himself to the new truth. He is struggling between accepting his child, Ayushman, and at the same time, he feels about his memories with Soha and thinks what is happening with his life. And then Dev finally returns home, where Sona bombards him with questions about his day and where he has been. After seeing Dev's silence, she understood something is wrong. And then, yes, time comes for Dev to reveal the truth. Instead of just dragging time, we find Dev immediately telling the truth to Sona. And Sonakshi is completely shattered as much as Dev is, and she is not able to listen or understand what Dev is telling. She is fairly sure that something must be wrong and this could not have happened. Dev first tries to blame Sonakshi as to how she did not know which child she gave birth to, and Sonakshi immediately retorts back saying, of course he was not there in his life, and how could she know immediately? And there goes a minute arguments out, after which both are equally shattered on learning this truth. We can find from the portrayal of emotions of Dev and Sonakshi that they are more concerned with the fact that they are going to lose Soha from their lives. They are ready to accept Ayush. That change is of course bothering them, but they are more concerned with the fact that they are going to lose Soha from their lives because she turns out to be some other person's child. So next we find again Dev and Sonakshi just completely shattered and crying over whatever has happened, and they are trying to digest the truth that has happened in their life that is going to turn their lives. Sonakshi begs Dev to tell it is all false, and Dev says he also hopes this has to be false, but no. He says that he had been to Kolkata and verified all the facts, and the truth is that the nurse herself has admitted that she has swapped the child. So, Dev and Sonakshi keep quiet and try to adjust their mind to the fact that yes, Ayushman is their child and Soha is not. Sona continues crying and drifts back to sleep, where she sees a dream of Soha being dragged by the police saying she's somebody else's child, and Sona wakes up due to the shock of the dream, and she tries to wake up Dev to immediately share it with him, but then she decides against it. Then she runs to Soha and she tries to hug and pamper Soha, who is still sleeping. And on the other side, we can find how Ayushman is so mature, like we found Dev in his childhood in season 1. So yes, Ayushman is so mature and he is so careful about things and so knowledgeable that Dev himself admires and sees himself in the child. But he is not able to accept the child, nor is able to ignore the fact that he is in fact his own son. So thus Dev and Sonakshi struggle with their emotions, and we need to wait and watch what lies in store for them and how they are going to overcome this great change in their life. So stay tuned for the review of further episodes and other good infotainment stuff, and please subscribe to this channel and comment your views. Thank you friends. Bye.